Now we have to create offsite networks or offsite supporting networks. There are three networks we have to create. We have the branded network, geo network, and the niche network. In this video, I'll explain you on how to create the branded network. Okay, so basically there is a corresponding tab sheet for this. This is a offsite networks. Okay, let's start here for the branded. Okay, branded, it should bear the name of the business or the company name. So here is an example. Look at this. Okay, so at start we create 5, then as we go along we can add on. For a start, let's just do 5. Okay, so as you can see here, this is web 2 or social site. We have to create a site from the web 2 properties. Okay, as you can see here, the Tumblr, the Wibbler, and the domain itself, as you can see, it's bearing the name of the brand or the site, right? So if you click on this one, or not click, but you have to copy and paste here. Okay, you can see this. Okay, so since it's it's bearing with the name of the company or the business name, we have to make it sure the site being created is very presentable and looks like a real site. Okay, as you can see here, it's being created with the creativity in mind, with the quality in mind. Okay, because this represents the client's business or company. So our SEO expert will do the best to make it sure that it looks good, it looks real, and it represents uh, very great to the company's reputation. Okay, so we have here the Google Plus, the Tumblr. So we have to avoid Google Plus because Google Plus now is, you know, it's not anymore being used by many. So we have to look another Web2 properties. There are a lot of Web2 properties around the net. Okay, we have to choose those with high domain authority. And of course, here we provide the password, the login. So anytime you could look into that, edit if you would like. Okay, so going back here, this is the old spreadsheet of ours. We have the new here. Okay, so actually there's on the slight changes here. So we have here the link one, which is a silo. The same procedure we did in the last training videos, where in the first blog post will link to the second blog post, the second blog post will link to the third blog post, and so on, and the last blog post will link to the first blog post. It forms a cycle, right? It is a closed loop. Okay, so it will give a strong thematically relevancy, right? So that's the purpose there. And then the link to will link to the home page, okay, or the URL being used in the GMB page. If it is a single location, more likely the home page. So of course the home page. But if it is a multi-location, there could be another URL being used. It could be an inner page being used by the GMB. So for this case, this is the home page for a single location. Okay, so that's it. Okay.